Welcome back to another video.
Welcome back to another video on Olivia's Adventure
and Lachlan's Adventures.
And today we're going to be doing the twin telepathy challenge. Brother versus sister. And we're going to have 5 rounds. Five. And how it works is we're going to put 2 items in front. Some of them we only have 1 of, so we have to put them in the middle. And we're not going to try and trick each other or anything. Just have to choose them, and we have to try and get as close as we can to the other person's.
So we have to try and get like the same colours and that.
Yeah, we have to try and get the same colours. We're not going to trick each other or anything. So let's get into it. Let's choose the ones we want to choose.
Hey, rock, paper, scissors.
No,
Who's going
no,
first?
we just choose one. Choose one. Choose one.
This one. Okay.
Boop. Give me the gloves.
On to round 2. We only have 1 goal, so let's just go put that one there.
Okay, guys, round 2. Let's go.
Go pick
This one.
this one. Okay. Now let's get started for round 3. We got food colouring this time.
Okay, let's go.
Pick that one. Okay.
Round 4. We got 2 good colours this time. I'm gonna choose
that one.
I'm gonna choose that one.
Okay. On to round 5. This is the last round.
5.
We got some soap and some lotion.
Okay. I'm gonna choose. You're not looking. This one.
Okay. We have to get spoons.
Did you point to what one you're gonna use?
Yep.
Okay, guys. Let's go show each other our ingredients. So,
okay. Round 1. I got purple.
I got purple as well.
So round 1 is good.
We both got purple. How about round 2?
I got pink.
That's not round 2. Yellow or purple?
Purple. I got purple.
I got yellow.
Mm.
Wait, no, we got blue.
Yes, exactly.
Oh. Well, you got pink, so.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I got yellow, so. And I got gold.
Ooh. Why did you pick gold?
Because I like gold.
Okay,
For
round 4. I got
red.
I got pink. Wait, pink.
I got red. This is so bad.
Okay.
And blossom.
Lotion.
I got soap.
We got 1 right. You got lotion.
And I sort of want mine to have a good smell to it.
Yeah.
This is very strong, so I'm not gonna add that much at a time.
Yeah. Is it that strong?
This one has beads in it from Lachlan's video.
Okay, I need my operator.
Be careful, there's beads in there.
I see.
My slime's starting to form. Ah! Activator just squirted on me.
Yeah.
No, soap squirted on me. This might deform our slime. I don't really know what's this. Can I have the activator?
Here's a lid. No! My spoon fell in again.
Again?
Yes.
How many times did your spoon fill in? Oh my god, I love this! Okay, does it matter if it's a bit sticky? We can take down the divider now. Ooh! Nobody wanted blue. Why did no one want blue? Lachlan, I'm surprised you didn't want blue.
I know.
I thought that you would have wanted blue.
I thought you would have wanted purple, so I picked purple.
I did want purple. I did well. I actually did well.
Okay, my slime's a fail for this video.
Just make some more activator.
No.
Guys, this slime's so nice and fluffy.
Mine's so nice and weird.
Who should you subscribe to, Lachlan?
Lachlan's Adventures.
And
Boo Olivia's Adventures.
like Olivia's Adventures.
Boo it. Give me a big fat thumbs up. Please.
Give me a big thumbs up as well. Make sure to comment down, guys.
Comment down below what slime was better. Olivia's Adventures or Lachlan's Adventures?
No, comment down below. Hashtag pink fluffy unicorn or
hashtag the pink spoon.
the pink spoon.
Well, it has a spoon in my slime.
My slime has some beads in it because the activator had beads in it. So, and I used up all the activator. So, oh my god, this is so glitterful.
What is that?
It's glitterful.
Okay, let's see you on the video. Bye.